Not sure what to study after high school? Here are some tips to find the degree that's perfect for you. First, understand your career goals. What are your passions and interests? What tasks are you good at? What kind of environment do you enjoy? Formal, creative, or something in between? Think about what excites you and where you see yourself in the future. Next, explore degree options. Check out different specializations and the type of degrees available. Third, align your choices with industry demand. Research which fields are booming and need fresh talent. Now assess financial and time commitments. Some degrees are longer and pricier than others. Also consider flexibility. Would online learning or traditional classes suit you better? Specialized degrees tend to focus on one field, while general ones teach a wider range of skills. Which fits your vision? Finally, make your decision smarter. Speak with professionals in the field, visit campuses, and consult career advisors. Their insights can guide you to the right path. Choosing the perfect degree sets you on a journey towards your dream career. Make it count.